Today I'm going to show you how to access LGSC through CS Portal and how to connect to laundry products. We'll be using a front load washing machine today. So as you can see, I'm logged into CS Portal. In the bottom right hand corner you see the LGSC icon. We're going to select LGSC, and the CS Portal is going to open the LGSC app for us. And now that the LGSC app is open, the first screen gives us some information about what products it's compatible to work with. We'll hit confirm, and now we're ready to connect to the washer. We will select connect. It's going to bring up our barcode scanner, and you want to scan the QR code that's on your model serial tag next to the thank you logo. So we'll scan that QR code. And it may take a second to clear up, but once it does, it'll grab your model and serial number as you see on the screen, and then we're going to select Wi-Fi connection. This is going to give you instructions on how to turn the Wi-Fi on the washing machine on, so just follow the instructions for your model. For our model, we'll be going into additional settings and then selecting Wi-Fi, as this one has the digital dial, and we'll show you how to do that now. To activate Wi-Fi on this particular model with the digital dial, you power on. You'll want to get rid of any messages that pop up on the screen, which this one didn't have any. You'll hit the options button. You will turn your dial until you see additional settings, and you'll hit the check mark. It says Wi-Fi connection. You'll select that. Now you see your Wi-Fi indicator is flashing, and it just gave that tone. Now you're ready to go back into the app side and connect using Wi-Fi. Once you have activated Wi-Fi on the unit, you can hit the X in the upper right hand corner of this screen. It'll give you an alert, just say confirm. And there's the LG Smart Laundry that we want to connect to, so touch that. And at the bottom of the screen, hit connect. So we are now connecting to the washer. It usually does a modem check, and sometimes it'll do a modem update. So give it just a minute or two to get through the modem checking and updating portion. And now we are in, and you can see the options that are available to you. And we'll go through these options now and see the information that the app can tell us. We will start with error code. So when you select error code, it'll take you straight to the washing machine portion of the error code website. Then you select your display type. So we have the digital dial. And then we can go through and select if we have any error codes we need troubleshooting information on. The next feature is the firmware update. Our unit currently does not need a firmware update, but I'll click it just to show you what it does. It displays your current software versions on the different boards, and down at the bottom, if it needed an update, see it's grayed out on our screen, but it would show some information there if it needed an update. And then lastly, we have the black box data. Black box data is going to give you information from the last 5 cycles that have been ran on the unit. So now our black box data has loaded. So right there under error code, it should tell you if any error codes have occurred in the last 5 cycles on that line. Or you can hit the overall status button. So here it gives you the whole list of error codes, and for the lifetime of the machine, it tells you how many times that code has occurred. So you can look and see this one's had 4 IE error codes. So that type of information is available. Below the error code portion, it gives you information from the last 5 cycles. So right now I've got the 4th one selected. It tells us the customer was running a cotton cycle. And you can go over to water supply, and it tells you what the target was, what it was able to achieve. You can look at your spin. It'll tell you your load size, give you RPM information there, and then just some other data where they're like LE error information, what the water temperature was, just different data that you can pull. Here's our 5th cycle. Again, we can go back and see what cycle was ran and just all that same information. So it stores the last 5 cycles worth of data to show you. So again, this is the black box data and what's available to you. And when you go back out to the main screen, when you're finished using, you'll want to hit the power icon in the upper right hand corner, and you'll want to select disconnect. It will disconnect from the unit, and now you're ready to use the app again on the next product that you come across. So we hope this helps you get connected to laundry products using LGSC through the CS Portal app. Thank you.